This is Benny Uyetake, and we're doing the first Sundays right here at the Hula Grill. The special guest, Paula Fuga, will be here this Sunday, followed by some great ukulele virtuosos that won the Hula Grill ukulele contest, and with me, Benny Uyetake, right here at the Hula Grill.
Aloha, this is Paula Fuga, and you're here at First Sundays at Hula Grill. Aloha, enjoy.
She is a really inspirational singer. So, like, I have heard a lot of her songs, and so personally, like, whenever I listen to her, I have, like, just a lot of inspiration from her. Because, like, most of the Hawaiian songs that she sings, like, is my inspiration to go and sing the Hawaiian songs to everybody else. So, like, music through her is also through me, so.
Bucket up my tree, don't think you're taking over my territory. You're the front of the litter, so don't let your head get bigger. Shoot you with the hose, won't take my finger off the trigger. You're a dog, I'm allergic to you. It's alright mother, and now I know. I see the light, it's clear to me now, and now I know. Sweet and sour like a little koi. Oh, my joy, like smoke rising from the fire, taking me